What if your banking app actually encouraged better habits instead of just tracking mistakes? The surprising truth about Bold Banking in 2026 may surprise you. Bold Banking app is designed for users who want control, speed, and visual clarity. From day one, the app emphasizes spending awareness. Instead of burying information, it highlights patterns and potential problems clearly. One standout feature is its real-time spending categorization. Purchases are labeled instantly, helping users understand habits as they happen. Most people get this wrong by reviewing spending too late, but Bold Banking keeps it front and center. Bold Banking also offers customizable alerts. You can set limits, receive warnings, and adjust behavior before problems occur. You won't believe how effective small nudges can be in preventing overspending. Another strength is its clean interface. Everything from transfers to savings adjustments take seconds. The surprising truth is that simplicity often leads to better financial discipline. On the downside, Bold Banking focuses heavily on daily banking. It does not provide deep investment or advanced financial planning tools. It works best as a primary spending and saving account. So, is Bold Banking app still worth it in 2026? If you want fast, clear, and habit-focused banking, yes. It's especially good for people who want immediate awareness of their money. Subscribe for more honest app reviews that help you choose smarter. Title start max yield savings review 2026. Is it still worth it? Title script start what if the biggest mistake savers make in 2026 is chasing high interest without understanding the fine print? Most people get this wrong, and that's exactly why Max Yield Savings keeps coming up in conversations. Max Yield Savings is built around one promise: helping your money grow faster than a traditional savings account without locking it away. At its core, it's a high-yield savings platform that combines competitive interest rates with digital convenience. In 2026, with inflation still affecting everyday costs, that promise matters more than ever. Getting started with Max Yield is straightforward. You open an account, link your primary bank, and transfer funds. From there, your balance earns interest daily and compounds monthly. For example, a $5,000 balance earning a strong annual yield can quietly grow hundreds of dollars a year without you lifting a finger. The surprising truth about saving is that consistency beats complexity, and Max Yield leans into that idea. Another strong point is liquidity. Unlike long-term certificates, Max Yield allows easy access to funds. Transfers usually take 1 to 2 business days, which means your money is still available for emergencies. You won't believe how many people abandon saving simply because their money feels trapped. The platform also includes goal tracking. You can label savings for things like emergency funds or travel, which adds motivation and clarity. Most people underestimate how powerful visual progress can be. However, Max Yield Savings is not designed for investing or spending. There's no debit card, and it won't replace a checking account. It works best as a dedicated place to park and grow savings. So, is Max Yield Savings still worth it in 2026? If you want a low-effort way to grow cash safely while staying flexible, yes. It's ideal for disciplined savers who value steady growth. Subscribe for more honest reviews that help you keep more of your money.